30,000 jobs disappearing in a week is not a recession story. It is not budget cuts. It is the new reality of AI replacing human work faster than anyone expected. And here's what most small business owners do not realize. What is happening to Amazon, Walmart, Google, UPS, and the big banks is coming to small businesses even quicker, because you do not have layers of managers or huge teams to fall back on. When AI reshapes your industry, it is your revenue, your customers, and your survival at stake. Big companies are not laying people off because they are struggling. They are doing it because AI systems are performing the same tasks faster, cheaper, more accurately, and with zero downtime. Amazon restructures tens of thousands of roles. Walmart rolls out AI across fulfillment. JP Morgan automates major operations. UPS, Google, Meta, all shifting to hybrid teams where humans work alongside AI employees. They can operate leaner, scale faster, and dominate markets instantly. Now here's the truth small businesses must face. You are the most vulnerable. One slow response, one missed follow-up, one delayed quote can cost you real customers immediately. And if your competitor adopts AI before you, they will respond faster, sell faster, operate cheaper, and take your customers without breaking a sweat. Any task done on a computer today, customer inquiries, scheduling, follow-ups, reporting, review management, basic content, admin work, can already be automated by AI employees. Thousands of small businesses are doing this right now. This is why you need to take action now. Start by listing the repetitive tasks in your business. Those are the first things AI can handle. Deploy one AI employee to manage leads, intake, scheduling, or reviews, and you immediately save hours every week. You do not need to learn coding. You just need to learn how to direct AI the same way you direct a team member. This is exactly what Scale Through Automation helps you do. We deploy AI employees that run nonstop and eliminate the manual work holding your business back. The businesses that take action now will grow. The ones that wait will struggle to survive as the gap gets bigger every month. Amazon's job cuts are not a headline. They are a warning. If you are ready to see how AI applies to your business, go to scalethroughautomation.io or book a call with Wilton. The future belongs to those who act first. Choose your side.